Yo, what is going on? Back again. Alright, so today we're just doing a little bit of exercises with variables in Python. So I'm taking these exercises straight from a book that I'm studying from. So the first thing it wants me to do is assign a message to a variable and then print that message. So I'm going to create a variable named message, and then I'm going to give it a string just saying this is a message, and then I just want to print out the contents of what this message says. So let me find where the file is at. It is in the exercises folder, and I want to run this file. Alright, so here is the first task I just completed, which is assign a message to a variable and then print that message. So we had a variable named message, and it has a string that says this is a message, and then I printed out the message. Alright, so the next assignment or exercise question is going to be assign a message to a variable and then assign a message to a variable and print that message, and then change the message. So we'll just do message 2 and say this is another message. And we'll just comment that out, or not comment it out, we can just change it right here. Alright, and as you see here, this is another message. And then now in the question it says then change the value of the variable to a new message and then print the new message. This is another message for you. And I'm getting ready to run it again, and as you can see here, this is another message for you. So this is just a quick exercise with working with variables and changing the values of variables and then printing them out to the console. Alright, so I'll catch you guys in the next one.